All right, we got a beautiful Avalanche right here. 2-bedroom, 2 ACs, solar, 2 entry doors. Look at this thing. Woo, 2 bathrooms. Look at this. You get your own bathroom. You get your own full bedroom. Look at this. Oh, these Avalanches are so beautiful. All the nice features, residential appliances. You got 3 bunks upstairs. You got room for like 4 bunks. Look at this. Island kitchen. Wait for the best part. You got a king bedroom. Woo, and 2 entry doors into your own bathroom. This trailer is a keeper. Free shipping, free delivery.